technically day 4 of our trip. Yesterday and the day before we were at D23 Expo, or D23 Ultimate Fan Event. And today we checked out of our hotel, but we're now using the day to hang out at the water park and pool area since we didn't get the opportunity to do that while we were, you know, the past few days, because we've been at Disneyland, D23 and D23, and so today is pool and water park fun. And then later on we're going to be heading down to downtown Disney. Hopefully, they're giving away a little Lego castle set, so hopefully we'll be getting that, and then having some dinner there later. So it's going to be a fun-filled day, even though it's not going to be technically a Disney day. It is going to be a downtown Disney day and a water park day. Hi, Tal!
They have this cute little splash pad area for the little ones. And the babies love it. It's so cute. Evie likes it too, but she wants to go over to the small like kiddie pool area. So that's where we're gonna go.
Hi, babies. My babies are having so much fun in this sweet little wading pool. Oh wait, they were. They still are. Having so much fun.
We took a quick lunch break. They have a little restaurant right here at the water park where you can order food. So we just got a few things to share together, and we're gonna eat more when we get to downtown Disney in a little while.
Hermione and Tallulah are getting ready to go down the water slide. I hope they love it. It looks like so much fun. Ooh, it's Tallulah's turn. There she goes. Wonder if I can see her come out of the bottom. Ooh, there she is. And there's Emmanuel. How cute. It looks like they loved it. I'm happy. Alright, so we've left our hotel and checked out for the trip. That hotel is over, and I'll tell you guys, I'm gonna make a separate video kind of about the hotel and our experience and what I think about it as far as it being a good place to stay if you're coming to Disney with your family. Also, side note, I lost my phone somewhere today, earlier in the morning, and I still have no idea where it is, and hopefully I will find it. But anyways, we've come to downtown Disney now, and we're hoping to make it to Lego to be able to get the Lego castle set that they're giving out today. It's a little tiny mini Lego castle set. So we're hoping to do that, but I wanted to show you guys because this is the first time we're ever seeing the new entrance that they've made, and getting to come into downtown Disney this way, so this is pretty cool. I want to show you. There it is. Looks pretty cool. I love the mid-century feel to it. I appreciate that a lot. It looks so cool, I love it. This is so cool. This is the first time we've really been back in this area. We've seen bands playing, you know, on that stage before, but we haven't come like back over here and actually seen this. But it looks like a lot of fun to have like the littles run around for a little bit, which they love doing. Looks like they're set up for some kind of Disney Junior thing with all these cool, colorful balloons. I love it. We made it over to the Lego build, and they're doing the make and take. So there's a line outside of the store, and we are in it getting ready to make our little Lego castle. I've seen a couple people with it. It looks so cute. There it is, all finished. Wait, is that the front? Yeah, that's the front. It's so cute. I love it. I can't believe that we got to make these and we get to take them home. I'm gonna put it on my shelf next to my Walt Disney. Even though he has another castle next to him, that's okay. All the Disney castles. I love it. The Lego build was so much fun. It was so much fun. It was so much fun to get to build something at the Lego store at downtown Disney, and it's a Disney castle and we get to take it home. Like, that was so cool. I feel like hands down that was definitely one of my favorite parts about this entire weekend. And yeah, that was so cool. I just happened to see the sign outside of Lego on Thursday that they were doing that this weekend, and thankfully we were able to come and do it. So we are having a fantastic trip. I feel like I didn't get to say enough about everything that was going on because everything is just so hectic. Like, it's been literally non-stop this entire time. And if you've been watching like my D23 days, you guys know that we were like hoofing it from our hotel over to the expo every single day, and it's just been a lot. But what are some of the things that stuck out to me? Honestly, everything at the expo was so cool. I really wish that we didn't think we would need the 3-day ticket when we bought them, but I wish we did buy the 3-day ticket because there was still so much on just that we didn't get to see, and we didn't do any panels. So I'm just talking about not even including panels, just all the extra other stuff. We didn't get to do all of that. Like, there was still so much more that we wanted to see, so I do wish that we had another day. So I think next time I'm gonna attempt to try to do the whole 3 days. I feel like that would be really cool. As far as our hotel goes, I do think it was really great. It worked out really well for us. The price included a free breakfast in the morning and then access to their water park all the days. And we checked out on the last day and we were still able to go use the water park that day. So I thought that was pretty cool. It was really busy. There's a lot of families there. There's a lot of kids there. It was busy most of the time. So that was not necessarily the best, but we're also there like on a very, very busy weekend, so it makes sense. But it was a great experience at the hotel. We really did have a great time. But right now we are back at the Naples restaurant to have a big pizza. A cheese pizza. What's that for? We're not having cheese though, we're having pepperoni. Yum. Because Tallulah will eat pepperoni now. She went for a long while where she would not eat any pepperoni, huh? But now she will. So we're having a full pepperoni pizza. And we cannot wait to have it because their pizza here is delicious. Yeah. Mamma mia. Yeah. Also, I still have not found my phone because we've been at downtown Disney and I haven't been looking for it anymore. But my problem is I always lay things down and I completely forget it. Like, I don't even realize that I did it. I lost my wedding ring. My wedding ring, I've been wearing this is not my wedding ring. I've been wearing this one, my wedding ring and my Mickey Mouse ring. I lost those and I still haven't found them. I've just been like losing everything. Like, been so absent-mindedly just like placing things somewhere, and that's what I did with my phone.
Hi folks, welcome. I'll get some.
Look at our beautiful, glorious, humongous, large pizza. Hey, Evie, no, not eating plates, eating pizza. I always have to eat their pizza with a knife and a fork. A weirdo. Because, like, I don't know if it's just a thin crust pizza thing, but the toppings on this pizza just come off like they're not even sort of trying to stay attached. So we gotta eat it with a fork, right? Still tastes good though. We decided to take a quick peek inside of World of Disney because we haven't really gotten to look at any of the Halloween merch yet, so why not look at that? There it is, the Halloween section. We made it. I just saw this and this is immediately one of the coolest Disney Halloween things I've seen, I think, in any of the years. Oh my gosh, look, it says Disneyland on the back. Wow, that one's cool. $59.99. For the croc lovers out there, like Tallulah. Minnie Mouse dressed like a witchy or a vampire. She's dressed up for Halloween. Do you like that one? Villain's fanny pack. Oh my gosh.
These are the pants. How cool are those? That is cool. And then this shirt is something else. That's so incredible. Oh my goodness. That is a really unique and amazing Halloween shirt. Wow, that's cool. Another cool one, and this one glows in the dark. Oh my goodness, they have the skeleton from Skeleton Dance on there. Wow, this is cool. I'm not sure if that's considered Halloween merch or if they always have this, but that's really cool. Look at this. So for $15, they have a cider drink mix. What does it have? Sweet pear, red apple, and caramel apple. How fun. And then this tin, I absolutely love this little tin. It looks like it has like Halloween bark in it. But look at that, it's so cute. So Halloweeny. You could make Halloween treats every year and put them in that. I would. Look at this little skeleton Mickey ornament. So cute. I always say that I'm gonna make a Halloween tree every year and then I never do, but if I did, this would go on it. I love it. So we have Jack the Pumpkin King inside of a coffin. What's in there? Oh, Sour Worms gummy candy. That's so cute. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. This is another one. I hope the color is showing up. It's purple. It looks kind of blue in my camera, but this is another absolutely perfect one. Mickey's Pumpkin Patch. Same on the front and on the back. It's got a little haunted house. They're sitting there in the pumpkins. Mickey in his little skeleton costume. I love this one. Let's see. What do we have price-wise on this one? $69.99. So we have the Sanderson sisters shirt, and then we have Minnie Mouse and Clarabelle and Daisy Duck Sanderson sisters sweatshirt. This one's also a glow-in-the-dark one. That's fun. I love these little Rice Krispies. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then they also have Sanderson Sisters Joffrey's Coffee. This one says it's cinnamon apple and caramel. Oh my gosh, that sounds so delicious. And I have to be honest, like I really feel like I prefer this year's Sanderson Sister merch to last year's Sanderson Sister merch. I didn't like that whole like tarot vibe thing. This is a very heavy, very large milk chocolate candy. Oh my goodness, with popping candy in it. Ooh, that's heavy. I feel like that probably weighs like 3 pounds. So these may be one of my absolute favorite things that they have. Look at these. These are Haunted Mansion ornaments, and they're the portraits that are in the, you know, the stretching room. Wow. Oh my goodness. And then what's this one? The grave digger guy. We decided that we're gonna actually try salt and straw, which we walk past every single time and we never try, but we are here today ready to try it. Now, I was looking at the menu. They have a lot that sound really yummy. So they have some limited edition flavors, but they also have classic flavors, and they have some that sound so strange to me that I would never imagine someone would get in an ice cream. Strawberry honey balsamic with black pepper. What the heck? Arbequina olive oil. What the heck? Pear and blue cheese. So yeah, some of those sound absolutely nuts to me. And like one of the special ones that they had was mac and cheese. What the heck? So part of me wants to try one of those weird flavors to see if that tastes good as an ice cream, but then another part of me is like, absolutely no. Like it's not gonna taste good as an ice cream. But it might, I don't know. Like why would they make that an ice cream if it doesn't taste good? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, like sweet and savory is a thing. So I don't know. I don't know which one we'll get. I don't think I can do it. It tastes like crock mac and cheese.
Okay, so that mac and cheese.
This is just like Kraft mac and cheese.
It did.
Oh, here.
It tasted like Kraft mac and cheese, but then somebody tried to make it cold and sweet.
Me don't like.
No, I did not like that. I would rather have ice cream or Kraft mac and cheese, but not together like that. Ugh, I don't like that. I did not like that. But the ones that we did get, we do like. So Tallulah got the salted caramel. What's it called? Ribbon crunch or something like that? It's salted caramel. I don't know. And then I got this. Oh, mine is salted malted cookie dough. And then we also got one of their seasonal flavors, which was the grilled peach white chocolate custard. And these are all really yummy. I'm so happy that we finally decided to taste it because it's really good. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this entire series of us coming out to see the D23 Expo, to get to have some Disneyland time, and to just have a lot of fun down for D23. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe and leave us a comment, and we will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye! Ice cream. Heading out, and you can see the new entrance at nighttime. It looks so nice. Well, you can see, you know, behind the trees. But it looks so cool. I think they did a great job on it. I love the entire vibe.
Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I did find my phone. Someone apparently found it at the pool area of the hotel, and they left it at the front desk for me to come pick up. So I'm getting my phone back. Yay!